Well, now that there's a camera, I'm not gonna be good anymore.
Hold on, can we shoot it again?
Well, now that there's a camera, I don't think I'm gonna be good anymore.
One more time.
Well, now that there's a camera, I really don't think we're gonna be good anymore.
Alright, from the top now and get better lighting.
Well, now that there's a camera, I don't think that I'm gonna be good anymore.
Hey fam, we are here for episode 2 at Squat Cabin. All right, it's top secret. All right, Andrew knows how to get in this place. All right, and like it's super scary. Everybody's scared. Like we're on edge. There should be a snowstorm, so that should keep it where nobody's gonna bother us here, right?
Right now, it's 80% chance that it is snowing, and it is or not. It says it's snowing.
Well,
According to my wristwatch.
oh, you have the snow watch, the snow app on your wristwatch.
It's under my sweatshirt.
Now that the camera's on, I don't know if I'll be able to say anything or not.
Run the lines.
Run the line.
Run the lines we discussed earlier.
I'm blank.
If you want to be in the videos, you got to do the lines that we rehearsed. Remember, Rich?
But I don't remember what the line was.
You don't remember the... Oh, gosh.
I don't know where I am. They brought me up here in the mountains and it's snowing and everything, and I didn't even bring a jacket. What?
Crunch, crunch. Walking through the snow. Here we are. First real day of the Squat Cabin. Alright. It is a lot of fun. Rich is out here in his foul weather gear. Taylor and Andrew are super toasty. Jack is extra cute. And we're just going for a little walk around the neighborhood or looking for cool trails. And yeah. Let's see, we'll rush get through there. What do you think, Rich?
Just right out. It's beautiful. And I got a reason to wear this sailing foul weather gear.
Snowy.
Oh, looks like Andrew found a snow fort of some sort. Oh, that green platform? Sure is neat out here. So what's going on, Andrew?
Snowing and sleeting. Got our flag for America. Had can't squat. It used to be just a platform up in the trees. The person was squatting, and now it looks like they just made a fucking cabin.
Micro cabin.
Minimalist.
Sure is beautiful out here on the creek. As the day progresses, more and more snow falls. It's going on and off from asleep to now. Just a bunch of flakes falling down. It's so beautiful. Rich, how are you spending this beautiful snowy afternoon?
It's wonderful. A glorious, relaxing day doing nothing but playing Pokemon. What? We come up here to the mountains, to the snow, and we're playing a stupid game on our phone? No, but we did go for a walk in the snow earlier.
And here we are, speaking with our resident bacon expert.
Yep, I just got soap on my safety glasses, so you gotta wash your fingernails after you get your fingernails right up in the bacon.
Oh my god, do you have like specialized fingernails for bacon? Yeah. Do you want to show off your specialized bacon fingernails? Okay, so this is Taylor's special. Oh, wow. Wow. You can really hear the sizzle. The elegance of the bacon flip. Oh my gosh.
Sizzling bacon cooking. Hickory smoked bacon on the griddle. Vegan, all natural pork bacon.
Hey Jack, what do you think of the bacon? I love you. 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 The way that the sound is insulated due to the snow is absolutely incredible. The way that it falls from the trees as the sun allows it one last flutter is truly beautiful. It's almost like a fairy village out here. I don't want to go home. Hey fam. Alright, we're up here. We're at the bottom of the train tunnels. And the top parking lot's all closed. So we're gonna try a hike to the top because other people have already slid down, and yeah, why not? Woo! Alright fam. So everybody's hesitant. We're gonna get soaking wet on this. It's gonna be funny.
There's a creek down here.
Is there a creek?
Yeah, because there's a pond up there.
Alright, so I guess I'm the idiot that suggested it, so I'm the idiot that has to go first. Taylor, you were supposed to bring the snowboard.
All of our snowboards.
Jack, come here. Alright, you're pissing me off. You get freedom.
Freedom. Free range snow pupper.
Alright, go
I
warm up.
definitely don't want to go all the way.
Don't fall in a hole, please.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm sorry if I suggested some stupid stuff.
Come on, mountain dog. Let's let him do his thing. That rock's gonna blast off your back.
Oh, this is it. This is as far as I'm going.
There's Pokemon gyms up there.
What you get us into?
We gotta go to the Pokemon gym.
They're all frozen. They're all frozen. You can't catch them when they're frozen.
There's Pokemon gyms. Alright, well, we gotta get up to the top of that hill if we're gonna feed these damn Pokemon. Alright. Well, I'm gonna start trudging ahead. And we've reached the top. How was it, Kylie?
It got really hot at the end, so it felt really nice. And then just the view.
Oh, gorgeous view. Love the little patch of sunshine. And then the real reason we came up here is that damn Pokemon gym. Well, folks, mission accomplished. We got Rich added to the group. We got awesome sunset view. And now me and Kylie get to skedaddle on down that hill and keep on trudging through the snow. Once again, really want a pair of skis, like touring skis that can handle this, where essentially you just use the skis as snowshoes. And yeah, Kylie, what do you think? So yeah, we got to get her some gaiters. They're a Christmas present. Shh. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of our saga up here, our Pokemon quest to be the very best. All right, so we'll see what else the day holds for us. Oh, absolute beauty on the horizon. It is absolutely gorgeous out here with the sunset. Kylie's over here. She's hustling so hard. I'm so proud of her. No lazy bones over here. All right. Are you going to go down first?
Right there?
Yeah, the slide. Watch out for that telephone pole. Just use your feet to stop yourself, okay?
Told me to put on 2 layers of pants.
Whee! All right, here I come. Watch out! Woo! All right. Now that I got snow all up in every crevice, find another opportunity to slide. Man, we need some skis. We need some skis. You're just sliding down the ice. Woo! And I gotta be careful because I got 3 phones in my pocket. Alright. Let's see, can I get right here? No. Woo. Oh, okay. I just fell into, all the way up to my crotch. Okay. I gotta put this away. Get serious about getting down here. Woo! See you at the bottom.